Okay, let's look at fabrications. A lot of you have been asking me how we actually work with this. As you know, your project is not complete until you have put in your plumbing, your electrical, and your mechanical design. That's the web design. We do have a full course on this, so this is just to throw a little bit of an insight on it. And this is one of the first steps that you do when you're actually setting up the course. If you're interested in pursuing the full course, you send us a message and we will add you up for the course. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you come in here and if we were to go to fabrication part, now the first thing you'll notice is there are actually no components loaded in here. Now you are going to want to load in these components first before you can proceed with anything, and there are two ways of which you can do that. You can come here to fabrication, you click on this little drop down which is here, oh my favorite, it's just come down here to settings, you click there, it opens up this dialog box. Oh, we click up here, it opens up the same dialog box as you can see. So I'm just gonna click here, it opens this up, and now in here for the fabrication configurations, you want to select the one that you want to select. By default it's going to be known. I work with metric units, so I'm going to go for the metric one. So we select this, and for the fabrication profile I'm going to write that global. And now in here you have components, so everything from ductwork to electrical to piping to, you see, we have all that. Now there are actually others that we use, but we share that only with those who are actually taking the course. But these are the ones that you can actually load in by default. So if I was to select one, let's press Ctrl A, I load in all of them, say there, and OK. Now you're going to give it a little bit of time for it to actually load into the current project, and boom, there you go. Now you have your fabrication parts and everything loaded in, and this is what we are going to be using, or this is what you're going to be using, you know, as you model your work. As you can see, we got them in totally different groups and all that. This is just for the duct work, and we have all the different types, all the different components and stuff here, all loaded in now, from electrical to piping to all that. So this is one of the first steps that you do when you're setting up your project for your MEP design, and I hope you have learned something today. Send us a message and click on the first link that you see in the group to get the full BIM course, and you send us a message if you're interested in actually following up or taking the advanced training in mechanical, electrical and plumbing design. See you in the next tutorial.